Hello! Today is Saturday, October 25th. I created something called a burping bee. It's basically a spelling bee, but instead of spelling the words, you burp every letter to spell the whole word. I have Google generated 10 random words to burp. So let's start. Number 1, heel bone. Heel bone. Number 2, amateur. Amateur. Third word, alienate. Alienate. Number 4, bloodlust. Bloodlust. Number 5, attic. Addict. Oh gosh. Number 6, celebrity. Celebrity. Number 7, Medusa. Medusa. Number 8, handler. Handler. Number 9, hover. Hover. Number 10, mysterious. Mysterious. I have burped 10 words. I may have failed some words, but I have done it. So that is the end of the video. I hope you liked it, and if you enjoyed it, I shall make more videos like this in the future. So don't forget to subscribe if you want. Bye! Shout out to Al Dinero. You requested me to burp barefooted. The entire video I was indeed barefooted. So shout out to you, bro.